Good evening. In this session, we are going to discuss three important topics. One is with respect to Shri Balbir Singh Senior. He is no more. Who is he? One of the finest hockey players that India ever produced. And under him, we won the Olympic titles for three times. And the most important thing, the cherishable memory was in the year 1948. We got independence in 1947, and in the year 1948 in London, in Britain, Olympics games were held. In the final match, India defeated Great Britain by 4-0. Out of these 4 goals, 2 goals were scored by Shri Balbir Singh. And that great personality is no more now. He passed away in the morning today, and his soul is rest in peace. So these are the people who give, through them, the image of a particular sport will increase. Like Dhyan Chand, like Shri Balbir Singh. So these are all the legends. These are the great people, and India is always proud of them. And may his soul rest in peace. And we also have discussed last time that some of the countries' companies, meaning the companies which belong to various countries, those have invested in China, they have decided to, majority of them have decided to come out of China. And one such company has already agreed that it wants to establish its unit in India. What is that? We are going to look into that after some time. And today is May 25th. We know that just 2 days back, that is on May 23rd, the world celebrated World Turtle Day. So World Turtle Day is being celebrated since the year 2000. This is a mechanism to create awareness among the people to protect the habitat of turtles and tortoise. And all these points we are going to look into that. Let me open the document and kindly have a look at this. And one more important thing, today is May 25th. We also have started the current affairs exclusive batch for IAS 2021 preliminary examination. The batch has already been kick-started, and admissions are open. If anybody wants to join, please open www.onlineias.com, then click on IAS 2021, click on current affairs, then you will see the whole procedure, then you may please join. Fine. So now let me open the document. Kindly have a look at this. Which of the following days is celebrated as World Turtle Day? Just now I told you, and the answer is May 23rd. Every year, May 23rd is being celebrated as World Turtle Day. Next. Look at this. This day is celebrated annually on May 23rd since the year 2000. And the main aim behind the celebration of this day is to spread awareness about the protection of the natural habitat of turtles and tortoises. Right? So this is important, and just like we protect our tigers, our lions. So this is a movement which has been started long back in United States of America, and now it has been spread to more than 160 countries. Please remember this. It may be a question anytime. Now look at this. This is what I was referring to. China to India. Own Welex is a Germany-based footwear company, has decided to shift its entire production from China to Agra. That's it. It is entering into Uttar Pradesh, and it's going to invest 110 crores in the first phase. Right? Just look at this. That is going to create larger employment as far as this Uttar Pradesh is concerned. And Own Welex has the capacity to produce 3 million pairs every year. Very big number. Own Welex brand is already available in India since the year 2019. It's already available. UP is offering an excellent investment environment with availability of raw material, labor and infrastructure. So there are certain states in India, like maybe Uttar Pradesh, right? Like Maharashtra, Gujarat, right? Here Tamil Nadu in the south, and Andhra Pradesh, and now this Telangana is coming up. So like we have certain states where the infrastructure is very much ready, and these states can tap, if any companies are coming from China to India, and that has already been started by Uttar Pradesh now. And kindly remember, if any company is shifting from China to India, and if this company is going to invest something, say maybe in Gujarat, say for example, like Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, or anywhere, and if you belong to that state, say for example, now this company is coming to, this UP, and if you belong to UP, please try to learn more about that, because in the state examinations these type of questions will be asked. Then you should be able to answer that one, and you don't require any specific or special preparation for that. Clear? Now once again we'll go ahead, have a look at this. Look at this. Yeah, the golden hat trick, My Hockey Days, is the autobiography of. The golden hat trick, My Hockey Days, is the autobiography of Shri Dhyanchand, Shri Dhanraj Pillai, Shri Sardar Singh, or Shri Balbir Singh. What is the answer? Just now we have discussed about this great personality, Shri Balbir Singh, and that is the answer. Clear? And look at this. So this is the this pic that was taken in the year 1948, and this is the pic of Shri Balbir Singh after he went for the second goal. After he got the second goal, this pic was taken, and this is the pic place, right? And at the time, V.V. Krishna Menon was the first High Commissioner of Free India in UK. He was also watching the match. After winning the match, he ran into the this ground, and he hugged all the players. And with that particular match, Shri Balbir Singh became a very, very, very prominent personality. Otherwise, Shri Balbir Singh, earlier under British India, he was there in Punjab police, and he was working for the British government. During the time when he tried to play for Punjab, which was against the rules of the British, then he was punished. At that particular time, right? But in the year 1948, when India went there, India was a free country, and no, you cannot ask that person not to play for India. And he played for India exceptionally well, and India defeated Great Britain by 4-0. Fine. So these are all the news for today. With more news, more current affairs, we'll be meeting in the next class. Thank you so much. Take very good care.